Pitkin County will slide to level red because of a sharp rise in cases of coronavirus.
Denver 7's Sean Dole spoke with the people behind the decision and with those who will be most affected by it.
Thanks for calling me.
Meat and cheese restaurant in Aspen isn't serving the numbers it's accustomed to this time of year.
It's unfortunate.
Monday's decision by the Pitkin County Board of Health to move back to level red this weekend, closing all indoor dining, is only adding to their pandemic problems.
I'm really tired today just because of the amount of energy that we've all put in, and it's a lot for sure.
Pitkin County has one of the highest incidence rates in the state, which prompted this whole move, but for an area that thrives on tourism, this really hurts.
We really felt like it was time to take more significant action.
It's not a move the county says they wanted to make, especially in the middle of tourism season.
These are our busy times, and so this is a particularly painful time for our business community.
Since the county began mandating affidavits from all tourists in December, more than 45,000 tourists have signed in. Numbers that add insult to injury with the health department's decision.
Mountain's still open, hotels are still, they're still rocking.
Well, not exactly. The number of international visitors has plummeted, and the slopes here are accessible without a reservation.
We're not really hitting the limits that we set for ourselves right now, so we haven't had to undertake any additional limitations.
Which helps, despite the resorts needing to stop indoor dining themselves.
It impacts us less than it impacts the restaurants down in town.
We've had the lowest number of people in the lodge since we reopened for the winter.
Aspen's lodging industry has kept up with those tourists who are still coming. It's why this is one industry that's on board with the decision.
It's the right thing to do. It's really the only thing to do, and we have a very small hospital.
Allison Campbell says she understands the short-term impact comes with some pain.
Being in the red is a bad thing, but we're going to fix it. And, I think we're taking the right stands on it as a community, and I think it's still okay to come here.
Restaurants hope to get 5-star variance approval from the state. To get it, there needs to be a 2-week drop in the infection numbers first.
It's kind of saddening.
The county says this is a tough call. The hope is it will head off an even tougher winter and spring.
Nobody likes what's happening, but we have to get healthy.
Sean Dole, Denver 7.